You know when you find that space, that perfect space, where you feel inspired, you feel motivated, you just know the day is gonna go perfect, and you have all the inspiration in the world, and you feel comfortable and good about yourself, and you're ready to work. You know that space and that feeling? This is not that, okay? Just so you know. This is not that. No. Welcome back to Design Beauty by Cat, where we're gonna design our own beauty and we're gonna love it and live it and be happy with it. And if you're not, that's your fault because you did it yourself, okay? That's what it is. The reason I'm complaining about my space is because, one, it's not my beauty room. It's not. I've been working on that thing for a while now. It's been a while. And I'm not inspired in my beauty room yet because the backdrop behind me, it's a pink curtain that kind of gives this weird pink cast, and it's not a lovely pink cast, like a lovely pink cast that some people would like. That pink curtain, no, it's not giving that happiness, and it's just drab and fail. It's failing life right now, and I can't have it. So I'm waiting for what I did order to come in. I didn't order anything expensive. You know, you guys, I'm not gonna have some crazy diamonds going on behind me, but I will have fake crystals. I sure will. If I can get them from the dollar store, I got them, I'll stick them right on there. So it's getting there. It's not quite done yet, but I'm grateful. I wore my hubby down and I won that battle. Yay! You know, so I'm grateful. Second of all, the outdoors inspire me. The lighting is a hit and miss because it's a little bit overcast, but then it's also sunny and hot as hell. So you got a little bit of both going on, and then I'm having this gust of wind that it's doing it right now. It's shaking my phone right now. You see that? Not happiness, no. It keeps knocking my little background thing over here down, and it's knocking it, and it's trying to crack my glass. It's testing me. The wind is testing me, people. And my husband says, well, why do you have that? You know, you don't need it out there, you're outside. So, don't rain on my parade. Okay, don't. I wanted to have like a little cute, you know, something cute for you guys to see in behind there instead of just my porch window. You know, I mean, today is gonna be one of my requested videos by a subscriber, which was the 5-minute challenge. I'll put the name right here, the subscriber who requested that. And I didn't forget, you guys. I'm still gonna get to everyone's requests because they're all doable, and we're gonna get them all done. We are. I'm gonna use a few products, and I'm going to show you a couple new products. I'm gonna use them briefly in this video, but I'm doing another video right after this video for you guys. Probably in the same space, in this peaceful porch, wind, sun, overcast experience. And you're gonna be in it with me. So let's get this 5-minute challenge done. I'm gonna use a primer, a foundation, a concealer, an eyeshadow, a blush, some powder, mascara, and I may fit eyeliner. I'm gonna try to do all that in 5 minutes, you guys. Yes, I am. Am I gonna look presentable? I don't know. That wasn't the challenge. They weren't specific. They didn't say look good. That's on you, not on me. That's yours. You guys can start with me. You can set your own little timer. I'll give you a minute. I'll give you a minute to go get one. Go right ahead. I am patient. I am. And this is a new liquid lip that I just got in. And I'm also from Ofra going to use this new glitch palette right here. I tried it out yesterday. It's very nice. It's lovely. It really is lovely. And they're basically all baked shimmers. Look at those colors, you guys. All beautiful colors. This is a baked palette, so it's baked to powder, okay? So it's liquid baked powder. These are all shadows, but they're basically just like their highlighters, and their highlighters are gorgeous. I do own the Rodeo Drive. Love it. I used it for a year straight. Then I got Jaclyn Hill, and she kind of like, you know, she kind of swayed me a little bit to use her more. Yesterday I tried it out. It was nice. I intended to film yesterday. Did it happen? No, that's another story. Moving on, I'm also going to use the Ciate London mascara that I had in my Ipsy box. Set it all down. I'm probably going to use one of these two, the Honest Beauty or the Jaclyn Hill. One of these two will be my setting powder to finish the whole look. So that is the plan. We're gonna see what I can get done within 5 minutes. And I hope you enjoy today's video because I'll be rushing through it like a crazy person. Okay? Ready? Let me get a drink first. I'm on the spot, people. This is important. I have to hydrate. That's hot. That's hot. Yeah. You wanna talk about insulation? It's hot. Nice hot tea on a nice hot day. What am I thinking? Whoever knows what I'm thinking. I don't know. All right, so before I get started, I'm gonna sanitize my hands again. My poor hands are like 80. Yeah. this is the story of my life. Sanitization. All day, every day. Even in my sleep. I sleep feeling for hand sanitizer and pouring it and rubbing it. Probably dabbing my face too. Got all my products nice and open, ready to go. So get your timers out, counting down. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. And there's my husband pulling up in the driveway. Of course he would do that. Okay, so hubby and kids showed up with some raspas and mangonadas and some ice cream, and I had to stop filming because that was more important. Was it really more important? Yes, it was. I have priorities, people. I have priorities. In case you're wondering what a mangonada is, it's shaved fruit, usually mango, but I like shaved strawberry. So it's shaved strawberry into like a raspa, which is like a puree. It's delicious. If you haven't had one, you should try one. I don't know where you live, but good luck. Okay, you guys, you got your timers? We got everything locked, stocked, ready to go, and we're gonna count it down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5 minutes start. Oh, this stuff is greasy. Woo!
cozy yet? Can you hold up? Need no coffee yet? Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, love is moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Don't you love won't take the time to make love? Promise you I'm not wasting time. Bathtub, we don't gotta rush no, never gonna rush no. My life's in a slow mo, always in a slow mo. I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, love this moment, yeah. feel cozy yet? Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine?
Done. Man, am I good or what? What? Done. Does it look good? I don't know. I was in super mode, so I don't know. The little shimmer shadow I threw on there doesn't look bad either. Could it be blended better? Of course it could. I had 5 minutes, people. What do you want from me? If you guys can see, let me take the phone off of the holder there and let's take a good look. Let's take a good look. Let's get in deep with this, okay? So here we are. Trying to see over here without shadows. Not too bad. Got some color on the face right here. Got lipstick on. Not looking crazy like a clown. Looking okay. We've got the shadow on. We've got mascara on. We don't have any brow product on, but I rarely ever use brow product anyway. Like that's just I don't use it, you know, very rare. We've got foundation, we've got primer, we've got concealer. You know, we've got quite a bit, you guys. Am I satisfied? No, but I'm pretty happy. I got through the challenge. 5-minute challenge. I did a lot of products on my face in 5 minutes. And it doesn't look horrible. I did use my fingers because there's no rules. I wasn't told that I couldn't. So yeah, hey, whatever makes it get on there and get on there quick, you know. Well, I don't know if that sounds right, but whatever helps it to get on faster. Yeah, does that sound better? We're gonna go with that one. Pop this baby back on here because my arm will die. Yep, it'll die. So, you know, I did a pretty all right job. She'd be all right. I could go to the store like this. I sure could. I could probably go to a club like this too because I'll just take the pigtails out. Or maybe they're cute. Maybe I should stay with my exotic pigtails. Who knows? I don't know. But I think I look all right. So let me know how you guys feel about the 5-minute challenge. Tell me if you do a challenge. I want to come and see yours. Yeah, I like to see what you can do in 5 minutes too. All right, people? Do I usually do this in 5 minutes? No. If I've got 5 minutes, you know what I do? Mascara, liner, and a lip. That's it. That's it, I'm done. Out the door. I don't put a damn thing on my face. I don't even care about the pink tones because the pink is just basically a natural blush for me. It's just built in. I got built-in blush, people. Yes, no products needed. I am my own maker of my own blush. So I don't care about it. I like to have a liner because I feel like that's my shirt and then my mascara are my pants. So I got a shirt and pants. Okay, we're good. And then I got some shoes. So I put the lips on, those are my shoes. I'm all right, ready to go. Not naked. As always, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you didn't mind my dog huffing and puffing half the time. She thinks she owns the space. She thinks she does. She's an inside dog. She has to come outside with me because that's how they are. Needy, wanting everything all the time. Like I said, I got a lot of kids. Hope you guys are being healthy, staying safe, staying indoors if possible, outdoors in your own area. Just try not to be out with everybody else, you know what I mean? Kind of keep it back a little bit, you know? Put yourself in a little bubble. Take care of yourself. Because I can't take care of you for you, okay? All right, shut up. No one's talking to you down the road. Damn dogs. Not even mine and they're barking. Anywho, share the kindness, you guys. Kindness is free. I know it hurts sometimes
In here when you don't like someone, you just don't want to be nice to them because they're not nice back.
but it's okay. Just, you know, just be nice anyway, all right? Be the better person. Tap yourself on the shoulder. Say, hey, I did a good deed. I did. I didn't kill that dog down the road. That's a good deed right there, okay? All right. Love y'all. Hope you enjoyed. And send me any more of y'all's requests. I will try to get them done for you because it's fun for me. I enjoy doing things that you guys want to see. See y'all later. Bye. Is it over? Did I pass the test? Can I stop filming now? My face is gonna crack. I feel like Barbie in that movie. Goodbye. Bye-bye now. Bye. Bye-bye. Goodbye now. Bye. Bye-bye. Get down. Get down. Get down. Get down. Thank you. We know who's not boss in this house. That was 6 times saying get down. Did I say subscribe at any time during this whole video? I don't think I did. So let's rewind. Please like and subscribe. If you enjoyed the video, please like it. If you like my content, please subscribe. I appreciate you. I love to have you. And I promise you, I won't always be outside. Okay? Like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye now. Subscribe. I think it's gonna look cute there. I'm gonna put it there. This actually goes in the kitchen. But it's okay, nobody knows that. Well, you do now. But that's it. But we're gonna get there, because by golly, I'm gonna make sure we get there. That's how you gotta do. Just that bulldozer of life. You know what I'm saying? Doesn't matter what I do, people. Doesn't matter. I put a ton of gel on. I still got frizz and flyaways. And why? Why is this? I don't understand. This is gel. Listen to that. Listen to the crunch. You can hear the crunch like you're walking on grass. Welcome to my life and my hair. Do I like looking like I have pigtails? Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Sometimes. We don't pass judgment on this channel. It's a judgment-free zone. Bella, say bye. Now you don't want to talk. Of course. Of course she won't talk now. She'll talk when I'm filming. And I don't want her to say anything. There's just woof. Every 5 seconds. Woof. Gotta cut it out. Woof. All the time. You want to say bye? Oh, say bye. You want to say bye? 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 Say bye. Look right here. Say bye. Say bye. No. All right. You're a loser. I don't know where you live, but good luck. Don't bark. No one's talking to you. This is my time. The cats are inside. Got away from them, and now I got you out here. Can I not win? Gonna have to take more than 5 minutes to cover these guys up. This is what happens, people, when I keep testing products out. This is all for you guys. So like it and see it and smile with it. Where do they pop up from? Who knows? But I don't ever get breakouts, and you know what? This is my face telling me it's tired of product. It's boycotting me. All right, guys, I have everything nice, ready, set to go. Only thing it hasn't done is get on my face yet. All right, so that don't sound right. That don't sound right at all. We're gonna re-say that. We're going to reshoot that part, okay? You know, like I said earlier, bulldoze through life. Push yourself, see what you can do. See what trees you can knock down that are in your path that are stopping you. What forest can you get through? Don't clear the forest, though. We need the forests, okay? I mean, that was a bad analogy. Let's just think of something else next time, Kat. Okay. Thank you for requesting this, and yeah, the sun is cooking my brain. So it's like, you know, your brain on drugs. Remember the fried egg? That's what I got going on. You guys are too young for that. You guys don't know that commercial, do you? I don't know why I tried, but anyway. Am I patient? We're in this together now.